So I said neutral equities, but we still have a preference for technology stocks. So that's a long-term theme that we have. But we also think, in a post-COVID world, technology stocks should continue to outperform. So enabling work from home, enabling remote working, remote learning. There's all sorts of applications that will be required. But this is just reinforcing a trend that was already happening. Apart from that, there's no particular region that stands out for us other than China. We think that China will outperform, and again, for whatever reason, and we can argue the toss on whether they've done it in a completely, what would you say, wholesome or acceptable way to Western society, but they are on top of COVID, and their growth is returning to very strong levels. So industrial production growth to the end of September, up 5.6% year on year. So they're going well. So we do think the Chinese, although the stock market there has recovered well already, we think that that will continue, that outperformance will continue. And just one other point I'll make in bonds, we don't see a lot of value in government bonds. We're neutral bonds, but we're underweight government. Yields are very low. Government yields, 10-year government yield in Australia, 0.73, same as in the US. Not much value there, but we do like investment grade credits, corporate credits, and we do like emerging market debt. So we're playing China directly. We're investing directly into the stock market over there. So depending on the portfolio, either through funds or ETFs that give you exposure, and also some individual stocks in China, particularly in the technology space. In regards to Australian indirect exposures, we do like the miners. They've underperformed of late with the recovery in the Aussie market in the last few months. But we think that as industrial production picks up globally early next year, that the Australian miners, not just because China is already doing well, but also because the rest of the world should pick up, and that should help the big miners.